guys, this is Carlos, your tow junkie here. First and foremost, I want to thank people who stopped by to look at my page and look at my video here. I have other videos on my YouTube channel. At the bottom I will post my link so that way you can go check them out. Anyway, I come out here to Fostoria, Ohio, taking a couple back to Columbus, and I figured I'd make a video on how to load and strap a vehicle on a rollback tow truck legally without DOT really messing with you. So, you know, I figured this would be a good time for me to do that. And at the end of the page, just like, subscribe, and share. And that way it kind of gives me the incentive to just keep putting videos out there. And there's going to be other videos, you know, throughout the weeks. So without further ado, we have an Explorer here, and we're going to put this thing on this truck. So let's see how well it goes. The best part of this is it drives, and when they drive, you can just drive them right on the truck. So bear with me. There is these straps right here. This is what we use to strap them down. So first things first, you got to work your controls like so. Bring it on back. My bed's a little slow, I know. We're working on getting a new truck. You just bring your bed down. There's gonna be times I might have to put my phone down so I can work everything. As far as the chains, you really don't need those right now. So let's go ahead and get those out of the way. It's really not bad. This is just something I wanted to make a video of for the new tow truck drivers, or somebody who's already a tow truck driver that's just starting out or just learning it. You know, it'd be a good tutorial, if I said it right, to teach you how to do it. So, I mean, it's really easy, especially if you can just drive it on. I mean, you just drive it straight up there. Then you just shut it off. Get out of the truck. Like I said, you ain't even gonna need that. But these ones here is what you're gonna want. They're really easy. These are called wheel straps. And these wheel straps are the safest way to haul a vehicle, especially if you're driving some mileage like me. I'm headed back, so I'm thinking it's probably about 16 to 120 miles, something like that. So, you know, you don't need DOT messing with you. Then that gets your company messing with you. So it's really easy. This is how you do it. Just like this. It's really easy. But you do all four wheels like that. I wish I had a camera guy to help me out here. Like this. And it looks just like that. And these straps are really easy to work. I'll show you how you work them. Sorry, it's kind of cold out here and it's raining, so I'm trying to hurry up, hold the phone at the same time, and do all this work here. All right, let me put this thing down right here real quick. All right, so this right here goes on the outside. Sorry. This right here goes on the outside. All you do is grab a hold of this, Just pull it through like so. Sorry guys, like I said, I need a camera guy to go with me out here to work. It's hard to take videos at the same time. Do this. But anyway, I got that. It's like a lot quicker than this, just because I'm not on my phone usually when I strap these, so they're pretty quick. It's just once you get the hang of them. But they're the safest way to do it. And you just go all the way around, just like that. That's how you do it. This is what it'll look like when it's done. It's called a 4-point strap. Come over here on the other side and show you. Just so you know, I strapped all of it. So that pretty much makes everything so much better, because when you're going down the road, you don't have to worry about DOT for one, and for two, it's a more secure load. It really is. I mean, you know, if I go real local, I'm not going to go all 4 straps if I'm only going a couple miles down the road. But when you got to go in the long haul, this is how you do it. But anyway, I want to thank everybody for watching from the bottom of my heart. Just like, share, and subscribe to my videos. I'm going to be putting more videos on there. I mean, you know, I do motorcycles and cars, and I do towing, and I mean, you know, so anything that's got to do with anything like that, you know, I hope that, you know, you enjoy it. And, you know, if you could comment in the bottom, just give me tips or pointers, you know, of what you would like to see or something like that, then just let me know. But this is how you do a 4-point strap. You load it and you strap it the right way as a tow truck driver. And one more thing, from one tow truck driver to another, y'all be safe out there. I want you to make it home to your families at night. I love y'all. Ciao.